Hey Howard, this package came in the mail and it's addressed here to the museum. It's from Germany. I've managed to already get the tape off, so you just have to open it.
Well, I wonder if it is a picture puzzle. Let's see, it's from Alexander of Strausberg. Whoop. Here we are. My word. I've been a follower of your TikTok account for about 2 years. Well, that's pretty long to be reading. What do we have in here? Peanuts? Peanuts! It's the first time I've seen real peanuts used as peanut packing here. Oh, it's a printing plate.
Well, that's got some detail to it.
This looks like a copy of maybe a really old woodcut. Let's see if we can find something here. Depicts Birgitta of Sweden, honored as Saint Birgitta. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. My word.
Well, we're gonna have to get a print of this for sure.
Yes, let's see if we have. Nope, nothing else in here of.
Well, thank you so much, Alexander. We're gonna have to see how the print looks.
Well, the cut is not to our type high standard, but I've shimmed it up so that it'll work with our press. The original was by Albrecht Dürer. I'm probably butchering these words, but we'll grab a cut here. Oops, taking ink nicely. This has to be something from around 1500, I think. That is certainly a very lovely cut of the original.